You're watching how Leap lets recover a permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. Once your account is permanently deleted after the 30-day deactivation period, it cannot be recovered. Snapchat's policy states that after 30 days, all account data is permanently erased from their servers. Your only option is to create a brand new account with the same email or phone number. You will lose all your memories, friends, chat history, and streaks. To prevent this in the future, log in and reactivate your account within the 30-day deactivation window. If it has been longer than 30 days since you requested deletion, you cannot get your old account back. You can try contacting Snapchat support through their website or app help section, but they will confirm the data is unrecoverable. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.